Hey everyone, in today's video we will see how to download and install WinRAR on your Windows 11 machine. Without any further delay, let's begin. For this, you need a web browser. In my case, I will use Google Chrome. Let's search for WinRAR and enter. In the search result, select the first option. You will see a very modern website that looks authentic. Here you will get two download options. The green download is for the paid one, and the blue download is for free. Just go for the blue one. Here are all the features you will get when you buy the application. It all depends on your budget. If you are broke, follow me and click the blue download button. You will be redirected to a new page and the application will start downloading. You can check it here and feel the speed of gigabit internet. Go for the application and click yes. This is the modern installation window. You can see the program install location. If you want to change the location, select browse. You can read the complete license agreement as I did. Click on install. Here you will get a lot of options, don't bother about it. In the interface section, you can select add WinRAR to desktop, it will add a shortcut to your desktop. This is the start menu. You can also add WinRAR to the menu. Select OK and boom, you are done. This is the location of your application in the start menu. We don't need it. Anyway, I am showing you the main location where your program will install by default. Just close it. Here you can see the shortcut you ever wanted. I usually delete this and search it from the start menu. Your WinRAR application installation is completed. See you in the next video. Till then, always keep your windows clean. For a better view.